Hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tans and I'm a rider. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning fan, thank you for subscribing and thank you for following me. Please don't forget to share, engage, and subscribe. Thank you very much. So, I'm on my way to a town just outside Bloemfontein called Bloemfontein. So I'll be using this time to answer a few questions that I've received and that were asked to me by you guys. So here are a few. And while I do that, please enjoy my view. Taken with my Insta 360. New camera, guys, new camera. So I'm just testing the waters and the resolution setting on it. I've heard so much about it and I've decided to buy it for my vlogs, and currently shooting at 5.7K, and it's early morning views and I'm facing the sun. So I wish I had done the unboxing, but I forgot because I was too excited to actually use it. So the audio was really bad because the wind was a lot, so that's why you cannot even hear anything. So I decided to just mute the audio, and just rather talk over it and have more music on it. And then so I just need to invest in mics so that I can interact more while I'm actually riding. So let's get into it. This is a very nice ride and I'm enjoying myself, and the wind is just, it's not friendly. However, I'm still enjoying myself. So I'd like to vent a bit. I had connected my kind of intercom to the Insta 360 so that I can at least interact while riding initially. But guess what? I sounded like a chipmunk because somehow I sound squeaky. I'm still trying to figure out what the problem is and why am I converted into a chipmunk. Until then, I'll have to settle for voiceovers. What a bummer. Got my first bike in 2021 and I have been riding full-time ever since. I continue riding because for me this is not only a hobby, but it has become a passion. It's easier for me to be consistent with riding because it's basically for me doing what I love, doing what I am passionate about, So it's very easy for me to be consistent with it. What I have gained from this particular lifestyle, besides the love of two wheels as a female rider, it is the fact that I have made friends and the fact that I'm an introvert. I know it's very hard to believe, but I'm an introvert, and I managed to actually create and have friendships which turned out, and those people have become family. I have gained more experience, got to have more peace of mind and less life stress. Let's just say it's sort of a coping mechanism for me. It is my therapist. I'm not saying that the life stresses become less. No, they're still there. I just have a better way of coping with them because of my riding. You get me? And the advantages of being on a bike and owning a bike, for me personally, it's the flexibility it gives me. It is the time also that it gives me to myself, because on the road there, you can see it's just me and the bike and the wind. And as much as I have an intercom on my helmet, I just prefer listening to the sound of the bike. So and the fact that I also meet people and I travel light, I've also gained the confidence of traveling alone and riding alone, being by myself, listening to the wind, going through my thoughts and actually coming back lighter. So the experience for me, I have gained so much. What's going on here? I wonder. Can we talk about how straight these roads are? Motewa's district in the Free State, guys, is a killer for a biker. And if you're someone that doesn't like high speeds and stuff, which is me, of course, you know, you're gonna get bored. The disadvantages of owning a bike? Well, I can't think of any. Personally, I can't. Now, talk about the realities of owning a bike. Here they are. Motorcycles need maintenance. Motorcycles need fixing. You need gear update or upgrades. And it's an expensive hobby to have, but it's worth it to have in my books. It's a very, very, very expensive hobby, which I absolutely love. So for some of us, we have to prioritize, and I prioritize having a bike because it means I'm prioritizing my peace of mind. In this journey, there's always room for growth. And with that being said, with the different types of bikes on the market that will offer you the type of purpose in which, let's say, you ride for, I've always, wanted to ride, like I said, a GS, and it's just unfortunate that I'm vertically challenged. I will forever say that, guys. I will forever say that. So these are my top 3, especially for the fact that I love to travel. If you are still watching, it means you really like my content, and thank you very much for that. Please don't forget to engage, don't forget to like, and thank you very much for riding with me thus far. Till the next one.